now enter the third transition, industry-informed education led by AI-informed teaching. I choose the word education deliberately. I am not only speaking about teaching technique, I am speaking about the design of a whole learning experience: curriculum, assessment, employer engagement, apprenticeships, enterprise, technical skills, professional ethics, student confidence, and graduate outcomes. The evidence is clear that knowledge production has accelerated. Global science and engineering publication output reached 3.3 million articles in 2022 and grew sharply over the previous decade. Crossref's live records also show the extraordinary scale of journal articles and digital research objects now available. For book publishing, the honest position is more cautious. There is no single perfect global count because methods differ across ISBN registration, legal deposit, market data, formats, and countries. So, the point is not to pretend we know every book and article ever produced in the last decade. The point is simpler and more important. The volume of available knowledge is now beyond the capacity of any individual lecturer, student, library, or curriculum committee to manually absorb and organize. Then came generative AI. Since the public arrival of ChatGPT in late 2022, the pace of change has been extraordinary. By 2026, students do not simply have books, papers, and recorded lectures. They have conversational systems that can explain concepts, generate code, summarize papers, critique drafts, solve equations, produce diagrams, translate language, and simulate a patient tutor at 2 in the morning. Sometimes the system is brilliant, sometimes it is confidently wrong. That combination is exactly why universities matter more, not less. The Higher Education Policy Institute's 2026 survey reports that AI use among students is now almost universal. JISC's work on student perceptions also shows a more complex reality. Students see value in AI, but they also worry about pace, dependence, quality, and fairness. The Office for Students has also recognized that students use AI for tasks such as breaking down complex information, visualizing data, coding, and creative support, while still needing clear and consistent institutional guidance. This means the teacher is no longer the only explainer in the room. The teacher must become something more difficult and more valuable: a designer of judgment, a guardian of standards, a guide to evidence, a challenger of assumptions, and a builder of professional capability. If AI can explain the what and the how, universities must become far better at teaching the why, the when, the where, the risk, the ethics, the evidence, and the consequences. That is why my method of critical thinking questions matters. The future graduate will not be judged only by how much they know. They will be judged by the quality of questions they ask when the knowledge is incomplete, the data are uncertain, the model is biased, the budget is limited, the client is impatient, and the ethical answer is inconvenient. There is a